How's it going, YouTube Nation? Boss Man with Restart Ranch Small Engine Repair. And today we got a Scepter Smart Control gas can. I'll show y'all how to use it. For those of you that don't know how to use it, well, you're about to learn. For y'all that do, well, alright, we right there knowing how to use it. Okay, so we push this little tab up and then push the whole assembly in. There goes Iceman, cock-a-doodle-a-doodling at the wrong time. Well, push that in. Push the whole green tab in. Put you guys in. Now that's it. And release for leak-free control. Again, this is a Scepter Smart Control 1-gallon gas can. My favorite little gas can now that I know how to use the Smart Control spout. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget, y'all like and subscribe. God loves you. He wants you to be blessed. Now go be blessed.